Hey guys, welcome back to the Reds channel. Today I'm going to be unboxing 3 new bobbleheads I picked up from Redsfest 2026. Just got back. Concludes my Redsfest for this year, just going the one day. So, picked up Andrew Abbott, Redsheads 2026. Exclusive member bobblehead. So, let's dive on into this one real quick. Check this one out. Alright. Go. There's that. Alright, it's all in one here. Ready to go. 2026. Redsheads captain, Andrew Abbott. You see there in the red on the City Connect black, Andrew Abbott. Redsheads logo on the sleeve, the pitching motion. Looking sick in his windup. Great detail, great quality, great size to it. In the City Connect uniform. Looking sick. Another great addition to the collection. Super hyped on it. Almost slipped out there. Alright, next we got the Ellie De La Cruz exclusive Pick 6 plan, Reds ticket plan, exclusive player bobblehead. Get into this one. End up getting 8 games with the Pick 6. Get some more benefits with getting a couple more games. And this made sense to get the couple extra main giveaway games I really wanted. Other than the main bobble games I got. Bobblehead giveaways I got. This one's super sick. Alright. Alright, here it is. 2026 Ellie De La Cruz Pick 6 plan exclusive. Reds exclusive bobblehead, player bobblehead. Got the City Connect uniform on, looking sick, looking clean. You got him in the dab motion, celebration pose. Great detail, great quality. Little arm bobbles as well. That's super sick. Looking good. Ellie De La Cruz 2044. City Connect. Get the logo on the base. Just gotta pull that tab on the bottom and it lights up, but looking good, looking clean. Yes, sir. Alright, there it is, lit up. It's super sick. Super dope. Back in there. Alright, there's that. That one. Got one more here. 2025 Terry Francona Reds Community Fund exclusive telethon bobblehead. Manager bobblehead. Couldn't pick it up during the season, during the telethon, but was able to pick this up at Redsfest for an amazing deal on it. Very, very fair, good, great price on it. So very happy with being able to get this one finally, add to the collection. Good thing I waited on it and got it for what I got it for, and looking good, looking clean, super hyped on it, looking good. Got them in the Reds quarter zip. Over the railing from the dugout, Terry Francona, Reds logo right there, looking good, looking clean, great detail, great quality, great size. All 3 bobbleheads, 3 great additions to the collection. I will say with this Francona one right here, because it was the first one I picked up today, so out of the 3, this was the first one I picked up today. So this is officially my 600th 600th Reds Lifetime Bobblehead, a Terry Francona manager bobblehead from the Community Fund exclusive event last year. I was able to pick up at Redsfest for a great deal today, early this year, and this is my 600th career lifetime bobblehead added to the collection. All Reds, all players and mascots in the MLB uniform only. So super hyped on that, accomplishing that, getting to that feat, that number, and now it's road to 1,000. So looking good, looking great. Alright guys, that'll be it for today's video. Hope you guys enjoy. Like, subscribe, check out the next one here soon, and go Reds.